Hi, my name is Abby and I'm from the Wildlife Trust for Birmingham and the Black Country. I'm here next to the canal at our base in Winson Green, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an apple bird feeder. Now this will be fantastic for the little birds, especially as the weather is starting to get a little bit colder. For this activity you will need an apple, 2 sticks, an apple corer or something that you can take the centre of the apple out with, some natural twine, string or wool, and some black sunflower seeds or any other kind of sunflower seed. Okay, so we need to start by attaching the sticks together in a cross shape. So we'll be using our natural twine to do this. So I'll be tying it in knots. We can use the proper knotting way of square lashing, but as long as it's secure, then any way works. Now that we've got our sticks tied together in a cross shape on one end of our twine, we need to core our apple. So we need to be careful doing this because obviously the core is quite sharp. So we've taken the centre out of the apple and now we can thread one end of the twine up through the middle. So now our apple sits on that cross shape with the twine coming up through the middle. Okay, now we need to use our sunflower seeds to poke into the apple. Now the sunflower seeds have got a point at one end and it's more rounded on the other, so it's easier if you try and poke it into the apple using the pointy end. So they need to go in about halfway for them to stay. So these will be great for the little birds over the winter time. We just poke them in. So now that I've finished making my bird feeder, I've tied a loop in the top and I'm going to find a tree to put it on. So somewhere where the birds will find it. There we go. So I've hung my bird feeder on a tree and hopefully the birds will come and find it. Thanks for watching.